In this video, I am going to teach you how to create a Google Merchant Center account. First things first, you can head over to google.com/retail or you can also head over to merchants.google.com. In here, you have the option to start now or also to sign in. In this case, I'll head over and then sign in to Merchant Center. Now, once you have done that, this will actually redirect you to this. So as long as you have a Google account, you should be able to do this. So the primary step is to create a Google account, which additionally all of us actually already have, and then just sign in your account right here. Let me input right here my account. Now, from there, you will be prompted to add a recovery phone number as well as recovery email. Once you have saved that, you should be able to sign in into your Google Merchant account. So this is our dashboard. From there, you can see your overview and you can also add a business profile in order to add your store. And you can also set up Merchant Center manually through this part. So that's how you create a Google Merchant Center account. Hope we helped.